bit cloud of smoke.
Oh, you know, I'm an adequate distance away.
Just put in there and roll the block up and it's ready to fire. That's it, push it right up, she's ready to rock.
Cocked?
It's cocked, ready to go.
And when it's Steve, we're just ready to fucking...
No pressure.
Come on, you big fucking pansy.
When you're ready.
Today's nice.
Hey?
No safety.
No safety, just pull trigger.
Pull the fucking trigger, you big puff.
Nothing's up. Yeah, in a minute. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
You not got the block closed properly.
Hey, just pull the fucking trigger.
Put your fucking baby in that.
That's all black powder, mate. It's a full house load, like right up to the black powder, there's no recoil from it. Well, if you did that with nitro, it's fucking not good. But that's not a nitro gun. That gun was made in 1867. Yeah.